हैदराबाद IMD की सरबराह नागरत्ना ने कहा कि तेलंगाना में आइंदा 4 दिनों के दौरान कई मुकामात पर हल्की से एतदाल बारिश का इम्कान है। तेलंगाना में गरज चमक के साथ बारिश हो सकती है और तेज हवाएं चल सकती हैं।
The weather conditions indicate that there is a upper air cyclonic circulation laying over southeast Bay of Bengal and its adjoining areas of southwest Bay of Bengal, and a trough running from this upper air scissor to north interior Karnataka. Under its influence, Telangana is likely to have light to moderate rain over many places during next 4 days, and thereafter few days over many parts of the Telangana state. And Telangana is likely to have thunderstorm activity and lightning with gusty winds of 30 to 40 kilometers per hour during next 4 days. And heavy rainfall is likely to occur during next 2 days along with light to moderate rain over many places. And heavy rainfall is very likely to occur over the southern districts of Telangana and Mehboob Nagar districts and Sangareddy, Medak, Vikarabad and Mehboob Nagar. And along with it, tomorrow also Telangana is likely to have some heavy rainfall over south districts and the western districts, and some eastern district, Jaishankar, Bhupalpalli, Mulgu, Peddapalli and Karimnagar. And many places is likely to face thunderstorm activity with gusty winds of 30 to 40 kilometers per hour next 2 days and subsequent 2 days.